Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Bose Quiet Comfort 2nd generation, which is also known as QC2. So in this video, I am going to tell you the problems generally my subscribers are facing. Generally, one of the earbuds is completely dead. So if I take this earbud out and if I insert here, there will be no sign of life here. There will be no light here. Sometimes orange light comes, but even though the right earbud will be dead. So similarly, left side also it happens. Even this earbud came here for battery replacement because both side earbuds were completely dead. It was not charging. So even the amber light was coming here, but it is not charging. I mean, both earbuds were not charging. So after battery replacement, the problem was fixed. Few of the customers were facing a battery draining issue. When it is connected to smart device, at that time it will show 90% or 100%, and within no time it will come to 70-60%, then it will go to 20%. Like that, battery draining issue will be there. That is also because of the battery. So you might need battery replacement if you are facing the same problem in your buds. If the earbuds are completely dead, in that case Bluetooth pairing will not happen. Even if you press the button which is at the back side, that time blue light should come. If the battery is completely dead, that blue light will not come. That also indicates the battery issue. So most of the scenarios I have gone through is because of the battery. Only in one case I faced that the motherboard was bad. So that is very rare case. Generally I have replaced so many earbuds. This model QC2, most of the time it was battery. So after replacing battery in these earbuds, it started working again. I replaced batteries for both of these earbuds. So now it is pairing. Now I am going to click the pairing button here. So simply by clicking, blue light will come. You can see blue light has come. So it has entered in pairing mode. If the battery is issue, one of the side is not working. See, if the left side is not working properly, that in that case also blue light will not come. Pairing button will not work. So we have to replace the battery, then it will start work. So this is the quick video I want to convey here. Like most of the issues faced by my subscribers. So I have replaced the battery. Most of the earbuds were turned on. So even if you have earbuds like this, if you want me to replace the batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So you can send courier to my address. I can fix it and I can ship it back to your address. Even if you have different models, like I have replaced so many earbuds of Bose SoundSports Free, Bose SoundSports Wireless, and so many other models like other brands and models like JBL, Jabra, Sony, Bose as well, Apple, Sennheiser. So like this, so many brands I have already replaced. I have experience of more than 15 years. So I have been working in this line, like fixing the issues of this kind of things like Bluetooth speakers and earbuds like this, as well as projector. So if you want me to replace batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. Again, I am telling you, I am located here in Bangalore. So you can courier it to my address. If you are in Bangalore, you can just porter it, or if you want to visit here physically, that is also welcome. That's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.